Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah, my friends, here's my second video about Novo Nordisk, ticker NVO. I made already here a video during the Christmas time because I think we have here a stock with a super bullish setup which could easily create new all-time highs. But the question is, where to buy this ticker here, because now you can see that we lost here from the all-time high to the actual price. Around 50%. And the question is this already here the bottom or not? So I try to answer that question here by using my chart techniques. Of course, everything what I say here is only based on the chart and not financial advice. If you're new to this channel, guys, welcome. My main purpose is to educate you in trading, but usually I also have a mission here. I try to predict short squeezes in the market. This is what I'm doing here almost every week. I will show you something on that later here. So first of all, guys, when we see the chart pattern here for NVO, then we of course are here in a super bullish setup. What I don't like, to be honest with you, are these kind of leg ups here. Every time when you have these quick run up here to the upside, even this run lasted here 1.5 years, or almost more than 2 years here in that case. That is not healthy, guys. This is not a healthy price action when you almost have no tight pullbacks, and especially when you don't have these kind of accumulation patterns. This is what a stock needs. A stock needs to accumulate here for a couple of months to confirm that here still bulls are supporting and buying the dip or the actual price before we see these kind of rips here. This is not good, guys, and this is also the reason why even a stock like NVO with 338 million, $1 billion market capital, guys, can tank down 50% here over the time. You can see the peak was in June or the 1st of July here 2024 here in that range. We are here in the weekly chart, that's why you cannot see the actual date, but this is what we have right now, guys. So before we dive in here into the chart, I enable of course first my indicators. I want to show you why we have to come down like that. And as I said in the beginning, guys, I try to predict here short squeezes. If you also like to trade short squeeze stocks, or at least want to learn about short squeezes, I can highly invite you here to visit our Patreon, because what I'm doing is I publish here my so-called hot stock videos every Sunday. So the next video will be available in 2 days, and I always try to predict short squeezes. That means the tickers which I present in those videos have high squeeze potential. You can see here some of the member feedbacks where my members made huge profits. There is of course no guarantee, guys. The market is right now in a bearish month, but not in a bearish market phase. So we are still bullish here, but of course we can still predict short squeezes. By Monday here this week, I had a squeeze of 170% in total, where while I made the screenshot, we had a 120% squeeze here. And that was one of my hot stocks which squeezed 1 day after my prediction. We perfectly came down here to the algo demand zone, which I also will show you here for NVO. 25 cent was in, guys. I said this is where I expect the squeeze to happen, and then sayonara. We had this beautiful squeeze 1 week before. Even the market is bearish. We had this squeeze here of 136%. Also the green line was my algo demand zone. Posted this on Patreon 1 day later. 136% squeeze, and just today I released a video where a ticker has a total squeeze range of 2000%. This is no FOMO, guys, not to hype you up, just based on the technicals, never any kind of guarantee. If you want to see these hidden short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join our Patreon here. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, guys. You get also access to my trading tutorials, member FAQ section and stuff like that. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, also available here in the video description. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced trader, everybody is welcome, guys. So blah blah, long story short, guys. So let's check what is going on here for NVO. I will switch now here to the daily chart. That gives you a much cleaner picture here, and that looks weird, guys. We have here so many orange lines and so many green lines. What does that mean? This means we have here many open gaps in the chart. So NVO is a ticker who is trending, or which is trending here to gap up. And as I said before, guys, the algo is just fulfilling here their patterns and open gaps. So every orange line which you see here is not good, guys. This means when something goes quick up, we come quick down. So if this run here was from September 2022 to July 2024, so let's say 2 years, it can be, guys, that this ticker now will tank down also for 2 years. Where are the price levels? I don't want to scare you here. We are here in a super strong uptrend overall, but we have to accumulate. And now I show you here the price levels based on the chart. The good news are, before we start with the drawings, guys, yeah, we have also here open gaps at 133, 136, $140. So NVO can easy come back to these price levels here. And of course, I expect that this ticker will create new all-time highs if they don't dilute the hell out of the stock, which makes absolute no sense by the actual price and the market capital. The only thing what of course could happen is that they're performing here a stock split, yeah, to bring the price even down. Yeah, that is possible here, that they want to make a 10-to-1 split, for example, that you don't pay $76, just $7. But this is a different story, guys. If this happens, I will do here an update video for you. So let's now check the drawings, guys. Keep that in mind. All these orange lines are potential price targets for the algos. The only thing what we need to know, where are the main demands, on where are the algos waiting here, where is the, let's call it, perfect dip for NVO. And here we go, guys. It's a very simple chart, yeah, very simple chart pattern. We have the only algo liquidity zone which is visible here in this super strong uptrend is exactly here, guys, yeah, between $58.60 and $47.60. This is the main algo demand zone where usually if the price comes down here, we should find support, accumulation, and then create new all-time highs. The thing is, guys, that we don't want to see lower lows. So we start to, you know, this here is a leg up. Even it took here more than 2 years, but this is just a leg up move with a lot of gap ups here. We have so many gaps here in the chart, and that is absolutely not healthy. So it would not surprise me when we even come down here below $58. What I don't want to see is that we leaving this yellow box here, that we come down below $47. This is what I don't want to see, because then the next support range here, when we zoom out, guys, is waiting here in the $38 range. That would be not healthy at all. Keep that in mind, yeah. There is one slightly chance that we see already here that this is already the end of the accumulation, because I also mentioned that in my December video, that we have here still yeah, a last point of support between $79 and 50 cents, sorry guys, and $75.80. Here in this blue box is still a potential support. I would not call it an accumulation, but we can see that when a shakeout is, you know, or a shakeout appears here, that here is still some support. And what we can see right now, guys, this is more or less a confirmation how important this zone is, because you can see that NVO, the algos which are trading here this stock, or the market makers, try to gap down the price below this zone. You can see that here, and now we try to recover, and we are back in this blue box. Keep that in mind, guys. Let's make it, yeah, simple. I don't want to overload your mind with too many information. So when we leave $75.80, guys, then I personally expect the price to come down at least here $68 to $58, guys. This range here, I don't think that here is some kind of support waiting. If we don't come back here in this area and hold the price here over $75, guys, I expect that this is the next algo demand zone for NVO. As I said, this is not to scare you. This is what the chart is telling us. When we see these massive gap downs here over and over and over again, we had the same to the upside. Now we have the same to the downside, and these levels here, guys, have simply no support. There is simply no support. This is a support, guys. This is an accumulation zone. That's why I think we could come down here, and that would be the perfect dip, in my opinion. That could bring us here a lot of profits, because if we come down to this algo demand zone here, let's say somewhere in between here, not the perfect bottom, but here $50, yeah, then we have here a squeeze potential of at least 177% and more in the future here for NVO, guys. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, everything what you see here is called TradingView. This is the program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And if you want to learn trading, guys, I can highly recommend to get that program. Every video which you see here, guys, is based on TradingView. That's why I highly recommend that. And if you want to get that program today, I have here a special $15 discount link available in the video description. You will save here $15 if you choose the premium tier. This is what I recommend for TradingView. Yeah, guys, that was my quick and dirty update for NVO. Be careful, guys. We have a bearish month, but not yet a bearish market. But if we see here a bear market incoming, guys, then sayonara, because then I have no doubts that we will see here a price between $58 and $47 for NVO. So work always with a stop loss. This is very important, or take your profits. As I said, this is here my opinion and not financial advice. Guys, thank you for your time. I hope that video was helpful. And yeah, if you like, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now to don't miss any updates here. And then, guys, I would say see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.